Okay, just a quick update. We're almost at the top. Done 105 meters so far. So that's 32 meters of climbing. The majority is coming now. There's uneven rockiness. Doesn't make it any easier. I've just been staying in the same gear the whole way. Boundary wall climb. And they've officially named the part leading up to that. We call it skulpart, which in English is translated to tortoise. Yeah, it's one heck of a climb. Got a nice side wind, help coming up the hill a bit, but pushing over now. I mean, just get the speed. The higher up it comes the mountain, I'll reach you. Quick update, 119 meters. At least these two trees signifies I'm nearly at the end. Yeah, it's like almost at the total highest point of this ride. Now 127 meters. Phew. What a climb. Next up, we're going to have a nice little fun downhill section. So stay tuned. It'll be up tomorrow. Let's get to the off ramp. Oh, exit. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and keep watching. Thank you very much. Bye for now. Scorpion. Good night.